Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Lee Min-ho and Han Hyo-joo fortune harmony analysis. An application has been received for the fortune analysis of Lee Min-ho and Han Hyo-joo. There was an application from an overseas YouTube subscriber. Their fortunes were so much alike. Do you think it's going to be harmonious because it looks like? Let's analyze it together. Lee Min-ho and Han Hyo-joo are the sea in fortune. The sea has a lot of changes, doesn't show its insides well, is wise and interested in finance. They also have letters that are popular. Lee Min-ho has a conflict in his fortune, and it's a conflict with his spouse. However, it is a conflict of positive meaning, so they will give a lot of advice or exchange opinions for each other's development. Han Hyo-joo has a combination of letters shaped like her and letters corresponding to wealth. The property of this wealth is the wealth that gathered gradually, and Han Hyo-joo has a good fortune that builds up in her lifetime. And wealth means a mother-in-law to a woman, and if she gets married, she will get along with very well or very close to her. Then let's do a more detailed analysis. Lee Min-ho's energy is flowing from the letters that mean himself to the letters that mean art and the letters that mean wealth. The flow of energy is very good. It's a fortune toured by celebrities and businessmen. The fortune structure is very neat. It is well constructed with high utilization. But energy for wealth and women is too strong. This structure can have a great impact on Lee Min-ho's life. The letter meaning wealth is the result of popularity and activity, and it is a good structure that guarantees popularity and wealth. His spouse may be a very bright and a woman of a large scale. The word for wealth applies to the father. Input energy corresponds to the mother. Lee Min-ho has no input energy, and the letters meaning wealth are very strong, so his father must have had a good influence during his growth period. Although the energy flow is very clean and good, the letter of himself is very weak. Therefore, Lee Min-ho should always work hard to find his own self, even if his life flow is so good. Also, there are times when he does a lot of activities that he can't handle, so he has to be careful about this too. Always try to be confident and increase his metacognition so that he can take good care of himself. Han Hyo-joo's energy is flowing well into art and wealth. Starting with the letters that mean her. Unlike Lee Min-ho, the letters corresponding to art are very powerful. This means that she is making great effort in artistic activities, her acting skills. It also means that she is a very good speaker and creative person. The letter which means art means children to women, and it also means that they put a lot of effort into raising children. Also, Han Hyo-joo will be able to accumulate wealth in various ways throughout her life. It's the energy that she doesn't want a windfall, and wealth means father, so he must be very close to father like Lee Min-ho. There is one more letter that means herself. So Han Hyo-joo has the help of her colleagues or friends, and she has a clear energy to lead her own life. They have so many things in common, and as a friend, I can give them a score of almost 10%, 100%. However, there is no man's energy in Han Hyo-joo's fortune, and fortune is good to replenish the energy that they don't have, but the energy that they don't have is the same. So I will give them 83% of the fortune score. Please improve and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.